Run me down, them a run me down. Count me out, them a count me out. Hold it down, me a hold it down.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and welcome. Into the video. Today, I have a cute little summertime short bob from Nadula Hair. Look at these curls. It already came pre-styled, so you could just plop her on your head. It came with a side part, but as I was playing with it, I was like, oh, I have an idea for a style that I haven't really tried on this channel before. But before I get into that, I want to give you guys a close-up of the clean hairline. It already came pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about trying to cut your lace. And you have a lot of real estate in this frontal, lots of parting space. It's 7.5 inches. The cap construction came with elastic bands. You have adjustable straps, and there's that anti-silicone grip on the base of it. So here's a close-up. This is called the Bye Bye Knots 2.0, right? So I wasn't quite sure what base I should do for the wig. So I did the ball cap method. So I was like, let's go ahead and put her on and see what we got, see what we are working with. So when I put it on and then I adjust it, I realized, girl, your slip is showing all on the sides. So I had to rectify that. So I went ahead and altered my ball cap. Then I was thinking to myself, it came with a side part, but I'm not feeling like a side part today. Maybe a middle part, maybe a no part. What? Because I always wear side parts. So I was trying to switch it up. So as you can see, this is the hairline. It's 7.5, so the lace ends right where my temple begins, and this is what the hairline is looking like. And I wanted to see the hairline better. Sometimes you have to use a little bit of spray wax and a straightening comb to style the hair back so you can get a better look at what you're working with. So as I was playing around with the wig, I was like, you know what? It's already plucked. I'm just gonna add a little bit more forehead. Now I know. You're like, Michelle, why are you adding forehead? I need you to subtract. I had a vision, all right? Can we just trust the process? Trust the process on me. The thing that I like the most about this cap construction is I don't have to worry about cutting around my ears. It's got a pre-shaped ear tab. When I do the ball cap method, I keep the back of my head open so I can engage the combs and the adjustable straps. So she's secure. I use some DIY lace tint to melt my lace. And then today to adhere, I'm just gonna use just the slightest bit of spray, okay, for my peace of mind, because that's priceless. So after making sure that the wig was secure, I went ahead and cut off the excess lace. When I tell you I had about 2 scoops of this daggone mousse left, I did not know. Listen, ladies, before you start doing your hair, you need to take an inventory, all right? You might have to make a trip to the beauty store before you get on somebody's camera and start doing a wig review, okay? Can we start doing that? So before I locked in on the style that you saw in the intro, I was playing around with it. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. Honestly, after I was finished with this video and I was looking at other pictures, I really want to bust out some wand curls on this wig. I used my spray bottle of water to saturate the hair to make sure that the little bit of product I have can be evenly distributed. Okay, so we needed a lot of water in these strands. They needed to be extra hydrated. So I'm distributing that mousse throughout the whole wig, and I did it, y'all. I went in and I finger curled. Now see, what they don't tell you, okay, what they don't tell you is the workout. They don't tell you your shoulder's gonna be burning. They don't let you know. Before I started diffusing, I was hoping this was gonna work, but by the time I got halfway in, y'all, my arms are about to fall off. my arms, had filed a report to HR. They reported me for harassment, y'all. So to get the most volume that I could possibly get from this diffuser, I tried my best to diffuse upside down. I didn't quite make it. It was more like a 90-degree angle, but it was good enough. So then I went ahead and did what I love to do, which is add even more volume. I went in with some living proof volume spray. I just wanted my hair to be a clean half foot right off my scalp. So can you guys see the vision? Can y'all see what I was going for? All right, a slightly longer version of Rihanna's Brazilian Vogue cover, okay? We can only dream.
I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like I like luxury. I like fancy things, shine on my body.
So that's it. That is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sending me this summertime fine bob, because you know I love a good bob and I love me some curly hair. I'm gonna make sure that I put all the information about this unit in the description box below. Drop me a comment. If you could like this video, that would be amazing. I will talk to you guys later. I love y'all. Be safe out here. Stay cool, because it is very hot outside. All right, I live in Georgia. You don't make no daggone sense how hot it is outside. Anyway, I love y'all. Nadula.